we are going to discuss the peninsular rivers, right? Yeah, we did complete the perennial rivers and we did complete the middle like ranges like Vindhya Satpura ranges, west flowing rivers we did complete. And at the same the ranges place and Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Jharkhand places east flowing rivers also we did complete. Okay, we did complete perennial northern plain rivers Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra and their tributaries we did complete the previous classes, and we did complete Vindhya Satpura ranges west flowing rivers, Vindhya Satpura ranges east flowing rivers we did complete. Right now we are going to discuss the most southern states that are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These the southern states are the most important rivers, peninsular rivers we are going to discuss. This is important. Okay? Yep. The largest river in the peninsular river is Godavari. Godavari is the largest river in the peninsular area. We can call it as Dakshin Ganga. We can call it as Dakshin Ganga. So, we are going to discuss about Godavari river, the beautiful river of South Ganga. Okay? Yep. So, guys, just look into here. Godavari river that can be origin at Maharashtra, the state Maharashtra, Nasik district, Maharashtra. The place is Triambakeshwar. The place is Triambakeshwar where Western Ghat origin. Okay? Yes. And the length of the river, it is the longest peninsular river. The length is 1465 kilometers. It is vast basin. Okay, river basin is very vast. Okay, yeah. The states that can be followed: Maharashtra, okay, 1, and Telangana 2, and Andhra Pradesh 3, and Chhattisgarh 4, Odisha 5, and their tributaries. Finally, they can reach Bay of Bengal. 5 states that can be flow. Godavari river, it is the Dakshin Ganga, largest river, longest river of like South India, that can be flow 5 states. Okay, Dakshin Ganga, most important peninsular river, largest river basin, and 1465 kilometers that can be flow. Where it is origin? Western Ghats. The place is Triambakeshwar, district of Nasik in the state Maharashtra. Okay, the largest area that can be flow in the Maharashtra itself. Okay, this is about Godavari river. Godavari river, Dakshin Ganga. Okay, yeah, this is as Godavari river as many tributaries, guys. If it is flow eastward, it can be origin Western Ghats and flow eastward, finally reach Rajahmundry of Andhra Pradesh, Eastern Ghats. They can give the delta, guys, delta. Okay, we are going to discuss about deltas later. That can be flow into the Bay of Bengal. In that way, there are left bank tributaries are there in the Godavari, right bank tributaries also there in the Godavari. There are number of tributaries are there. Most important tributaries we have to discuss now. Okay, yeah, right bank tributary are Pravara, Manjira and Maner. Pravara, Manjira and Maner. Manjira river is the most important river that can be give water into the Hyderabad people. Manjira is the beautiful river that can be provide water for the Hyderabad people. The river based city Hyderabad, the river is Musi river, the tributary of Krishna. The tributary of Krishna, Musi river is the city of Hyderabad. Okay, yeah, Manjira is the river that can be provide water for the drinking water for the Hyderabad people, which is the right bank tributary of Godavari. This is important for coming exam, guys. Okay, the left bank, the cities that can be cross Nasik and Nanded, Nizamabad, Ramagundam and Rajahmundry. These are the districts they can follow the Godavari river. Okay, Yeah, and there is a Sri Ram Sagar Dam, most important, on Godavari river. We can call, there is a project, Sri Ram Sagar project, guys. Okay, this is project, it is oldest project, which is 1961, the stone about this project, guys. Okay, they established stone about this project in the Telangana. Okay, yeah, Dhavaleshwaram project are there in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, based on Godavari, there are number of projects. Recently, there is a lift irrigation project called Kaleshwaram project, is located based on Godavari river. Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project, Sri Ram Sagar project and Dhavaleshwaram project, Andhra Pradesh, are comes under the projects on the Godavari river, guys. Okay, yes, wildlife and temples also there based on Godavari. Okay, Papikondal, Bhadrachalam is wildlife. Rama temple is there. Sita Rama temple, Bhadrachalam, is based on Godavari river. Okay, yeah, Trambakeshwar Jyotirlinga is there based on Godavari river. Okay, yeah, Sri Kshetra Basara Saraswati temple, Basara Saraswati temple is the prominent for Aksharabhyasa in North Telangana. This is also based on Godavari river. Saraswati temple, okay, Trambakeshwar temple and Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, Dharmapuri, also Godavari based. Sita Rama temple, Bhadrachalam, Bhadradri Kottagudam, also on the Godavari river. Okay, all over the prominent temples in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana based on Godavari river, guys. Okay, yes, Rajamandri mostly Godavari river and the Vijayawada. Okay, yeah, this is unique multi-stage and multi-purpose dramatic Papikondal George is there in the Godavari river, guys. Okay, they can ask you based on previous year question. Okay, the longest peninsular river is the Godavari. Okay, Godavari is the Pranahita, like Varda Venganga. Okay, guys, Varda Venganga are the rivers tributary of Pranahita. Pranahita. Pranahita is the tributary of Godavari in the Telangana. Okay, it is actually important river in the South India, guys. Okay, Dakshina Ganga, longest river, largest river basin, 1465 kilometers. They can flow from the west to east. They can cross Maharashtra, okay, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, okay, Orissa and Chhattisgarh. These 5 states they can cross into the eastward. Okay, yeah, this is important. There are prominent projects are there based on Godavari river and temples also there on the Godavari river. This is the important for coming exams, guys. If come to the Telangana geography, I did made a videos about the river system of Telangana, Godavari, Krishna and their tributaries. If you want based on Telangana geography, you have to go through that my classes about Telangana geography classes, guys. I did made all Telangana geography classes. You have to follow Chandu Biology and go through that videos, guys. You may get more clear about Telangana geography. Okay, yep. And about Krishna river, it is also one of the important river in South India, that is cross Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Okay, yes, it is origin at Western Ghat, Mahabaleshwar. Okay, Western Ghats, Mahabaleshwar. Okay, yeah, that is Maharashtra, the place Maharashtra. It is also origin Maharashtra. Godavari also Maharashtra. Godavari where Trambakeshwar, okay, Nasik district. It is Mahabaleshwar, Western Ghats, okay, Maharashtra. Okay, that can be crossed Maharashtra states, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. 4 states that can be crossed Krishna River. Okay, Krishna River, they can reach Amsala Devi, where Bay of Bengal there is a delta. Okay, Vijayawada, Amaravati also based on Krishna River, guys. Sorry, Godavari River, not Vijayawada. Krishna River is Vijayawada. Okay, yeah. Left bank tributaries all Bhima. Okay, this is Mula like tributary, and Tungabhadra. Okay, yeah, and Tungabhadra, combination of Tunga and Bhadra. Musi River, it is flow through the Hyderabad, Koyana River. Okay, these are the left bank tributaries of Krishna River. Okay, Musi is the city of Hyderabad river. Okay, and Bhima River, and there is a Tungabhadra River. Okay, and there is actually Tungabhadra, Bhima, Musi and Koyana are the left bank tributary of Krishna River. Right bank tributaries are Ghatprabha, Malprabha, Dindi, Paleru. These are the important, guys. Okay, yeah, I did made video about Krishna River also in the Telangana geography. Okay, yes, and there are dams. Most important dam is Almaty Dam. Almaty Dam. They can ask you Almaty Dam based on which river? Okay, Krishna River. Okay, Almaty Dam. Okay, they can call you Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam. Sri Shailam, Nagarjuna Sagar. Okay, Prakasham Barrage also there on the Krishna River, guys. Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Shailam Nagarjuna Sagar project is the most important historical project, guys. Okay, yeah, that is based on Krishna River itself. Okay, yeah, Vijayawada Prakasham Barrage also comes under Krishna River. Wildlife, this is important. Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Shailam Tiger Reserve. Okay, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Shailam Tiger Reserves based on Krishna River, guys. This is the most important for coming exam. Okay, yeah, there are Mallikarjuna Swami, Jyotirlinga, Sri Shailam. Okay, Pandaripur, Bhima, Hampi, Tungabhadra are the most prominent temples in Krishna River, guys. Okay, yeah, it is like actually previous year they did ask Tungabhadra is form of Tunga and Bhadra. Okay, the city known as Musi is Hyderabad. Big dam between AP and Telangana, Nagarjuna Sagar. These 3 points they did ask previous year question. Previous year questions about Krishna River, they did ask the Musi River is city of Hyderabad. Tungabhadra is the combination of Tunga and Bhadra rivers, and there is a Krishna which is like Nagarjuna Sagar. There is a dam, Nagarjuna Sagar project between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. There is a tiger reserve, Sri Shailam Tiger Reserve, which is very important for coming exam. Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Shailam Tiger Reserve is the most important for coming exam, guys. Okay, yes, Almaty Dam also important. Okay, yeah, and that is Vijayawada Amaravati is flowing through the Krishna River, that is important, and Mahabaleshwar, the origin place, important. Yeah, this is point 1 important, point 2 important. Okay, the left bank tributaries, right bank tributaries also important. Almaty Dam point 3 important. Okay, Sri Shailam Nagarjuna Sagar also important. Tiger Reserve 5th point, Tiger Reserve 5th point. Okay, this is Musi River 6th point. These are the most important focused points about Krishna rivers, guys. Okay, yeah. Next, yeah, Pennar River. Okay, Uttara Pinakini. They might not ask you this kind of rivers. If they ask, they can ask you. Just you have to read enough. Okay, yeah, it is Nandi Hills, originate Nandi Hills, Karnataka. Pennar is Nandi Hills, Karnataka. They did ask previous year Nandi Hills origin rivers is Arkavati, okay, Kaveri tributary and Pennar. Okay, yeah, and they don't ask you all the things. It can be cross Karnataka, okay, Andhra Pradesh, and near Nellore they enter into the Bay of Bengal. Tributaries they don't ask you, and temples, wildlife, Peninsular, Nellore, separate forest they don't ask you, seasonal hive they don't ask you guys, okay, they can ask you this only, okay. The origin places they can ask you Pennar river, you have to be an idea Pennar river, that's enough, okay. If they want to ask the complex question they can ask you the big rivers, if they want logical questions like they can ask you this, the origin point of Pennar river, which states they can flow, this is enough, okay. Yes. Poniyar river, this is also, it is not an important river, but you must know where it is located, okay. Sometimes they can ask you the like very like different question paper, they can give you the out of extra syllabus, okay. Poniyar river, South Pennar, okay. It is also origin Nandi Hills, Karnataka, Nandi Hills, Karnataka, where Tamil Nadu border is there, okay. It can be cross Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, finally reach Bay of Bengal. Tributaries they don't ask you. Previous year question they can ask you based on previous year. River entering bay near, okay, Kadalur is Penniyar river, okay, Penniyar river. This is enough guys, okay. Kaveri river, this is important. Kaveri river is the most south river, which is largest river, most important river between two states Tamil Nadu and Kerala. There is a dispute between these states about Kaveri water sharing, okay. This is important. Also Karnataka also part of this sharing guys. Origin at Talak Kaveri, Brahmagiri Hills, this is important. Point 1, Brahmagiri Hills, okay. Kaveri river is located, they don't ask you this name guys. Brahmagiri Hills is the main area, what we know the famous name is Brahmagiri Hills, that's it, okay. Coorg, Karnataka, the place Coorg, Karnataka, beautiful place, okay. Yes, and it is crossed Karnataka, Kaveri river cross Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, finally they can reach Kerala, okay. Yeah, enter into the Bay of Bengal, okay. Yeah, major tributaries, they might ask you tributaries also about Kaveri river, okay. Yes, this is the big river, they can ask you, it can be left western Ghats, okay, Harangi, Hemavati, Kabani, okay, Wayanad, yeah, this is Harani, Hemavati, Kabani important, okay, that is left bank tributaries. Right bank tributaries, Arkavati important, okay, Bhavani important, okay, and Amaravati important, okay, Arkavati, Bhavani, Amaravati are the right bank tributaries, okay. They can ask you the tributaries of Kaveri also, okay. This is east flowing river, okay. Yeah, dams, Krishnarjuna Sagar dams, Krishnarjuna Sagar Dam, KRS, Krishnarjuna Sagar Dam, okay. And it is actually oldest anacut based on this river guys. Oldest anacut is located on the Kaveri river. This is important. The times is Chola time, okay, where the Chola is, there is a anacut is on the Kaveri river, okay. That is actually oldest river. They can ask you which among the following river are the oldest anacut river basic. That is Chola time is Kaveri, okay. This is important. Rangantattu bird sanctuary is there. This is most important point for the Kaveri river guys, okay. Rangantattu, okay, Rangantattu bird wildlife sanctuary is there based on Kaveri river, okay. This is the wildlife wetland guys, wetland under the Ramsar list guys. Okay, yes. Kaveri river, it is, they don't ask you anything about that. Okay, it is ancient river, okay, from the Cholas time. Okay, they don't ask you. They can ask you Brahmagiri hills first point, okay, and they can ask you the tributaries second point, left bank tributary and right bank tributary, they can ask you. Okay, Chola age, most aged river, okay, third point, and this is the bird sanctuary, fourth point. Okay, about Kaveri river, enough. Okay, Kaveri river is also most important and most south river. Okay, yes, they can cross how many states, that is also important guys. Paler river, eastern Ghats, eastern foothills, where Nandi hills is the source of origin. Okay, that can be crossed Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Okay, yeah, they don't ask you about Paler. Okay, yes. Vaigai river, they might not ask you guys, just look into here once, enough. Okay, yes. Eastern Ghats rivers or Odisha, AP coastal often ask, yeah, what is the smart work about? You have to be focus points. Eastern Ghats rivers, they can ask you mostly Odisha, AP coastal. Okay, yeah. Nagavalli, they can ask you origin Eastern Ghats, Odisha. Srikakulam, AP. Okay, Vamshadhara river, Kalahandi, Odisha. Okay, Kalahandi, Odisha. Okay, Srikakulam, they reach AP and finally reach Bay of Bengal. Okay, there is a barrage, Neradi barrage is there on the Vamshadhara river guys. Okay, yeah, they don't ask you these eastern rivers. Yeah, most important slide for coming exam, I made it. Most important today class, this is one slide is enough for today class. Quick revision during the exam, you come across this slide is enough. Okay, most important points for the exam point of view guys. Take a screenshot, enough. Okay, all over you have to come across, but this is the slide, most important slide for coming exam guys. Okay, I am gonna read again about this slide. Okay, yeah. Rift Valley west flowing rivers Narmada Tapi. Rift Valley west flowing rivers Narmada Tapi. First point, most important of this class. The Tropic of Cancer cross twice Mahi river. Okay, based on PYQs, previous year question based on these points guys. Okay, yeah. West flowing rift valleys are Narmada Tapi. The which river crossed twice in Tropic Cancer is Mahi. Okay, yeah. The inland drainage in Rajasthan is Luni river. Okay, it is saline water river. Longest peninsular river is the Godavari river. After that, Krishna river, this is the order. First is Godavari, next Krishna, after that Kaveri, based on largest river, first Godavari, later Krishna, after that Kaveri, after that Mahanadi. Order guys, they can ask you in increasing order or decreasing order. Okay, yeah, the length. Okay, yeah, exams actually they can ask you Godavari is the bigger, later Krishna, later Mahanadi, later Kaveri. Okay, they can ask you in that way. The largest west flowing river is Narmada. Largest west flowing is the Narmada. The biggest eastern dam is Hirakud on river Mahanadi. Okay, yes, and there is actually oldest functional dam is Kalleni, Kaveri is Chola era. Okay, yes, the waterfall, okay, down the Har is on Narmada, Jabalpur. Jog waterfall on Sharvati, okay, on Kaveri river. Okay guys, delta and estuaries, these peninsular rivers, they can form deltas and estuaries. Deltas are the large areas, east flowing rivers created deltas, east flowing rivers create deltas, east flowing rivers create deltas, west flowing rivers create estuaries. Okay, yeah, just here delta versus estuarine. East flowing rivers Godavari, Krishna, Mahanandi, Kaveri, they can create a broad deltas. Okay, west flowing rivers, okay, they can short coastal, they can create estuarine, okay, narrow coastal plains. Estuaries are the narrow coastal plains. Mangroves, Brihatkanika mangroves are created in east, where Mahanandi, Brahmini, Vaiteyi coast are, there is a mangrove coast guys. Godavari, Krishna deltas have also mangrove patches also there. Okay, mangrove is the forest, special type of forest. They can actually like observe in the east flowing rivers where they can end. The mouth of east flowing rivers, they created a forest is mangrove forest. Okay, they can protect the coastal area guys, okay, from tsunami like areas. There is a like religious circuits are Triambakeshwar Godavari river on Godavari river, Bhadrachalam on Godavari river, Mallikarjuna Srishailam on Krishna river. Okay, tiger reserves linked with the Nagarjuna Sagar Srishailam tiger reserve on Krishna river. This is the most important slide for coming exam. You have to take a screenshot about it. Okay, take a screenshot guys. Next, yeah, dams and their river pairs. This is also important guys. Okay, I made it very clear guys. This is also important, dams and their river pair. Hirakud Dam, Mahanadi, Hirakud Dam, Mahanadi. Sardar Sarovar Dam on Narmada, Sarovar Dam on Narmada. This is also most important. Take a screenshot and note it down. Okay, Utkai Tapi, Utkai river, Utkai is the dam on Tapi river. Okay, KRS on Kaveri. Okay, Mettur is also on Kaveri. Nagarjuna Sagar is on Krishna river. Okay, Srishailam also dam is Krishna river. Okay, Jayakwadi on Godavari river. Durgapur is Durgapur barrage. Okay, on Damodar, Idukki on Periyar. Durgapur on Damodar, Idukki is Periyar. Damodar river is Sara of Bengal. Okay, these are the rivers and their pairs dams. Okay, yeah, and waterfalls also important. Okay, Daunudar on Narmada. Okay, and Jog is on Sharvati. This is important. Okay, Dudh Sagar on Madovi. These are the important guys. And Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Sabarmati, they can create estuaries. Then creates estuaries mean very narrow stretch at Western Ghats. Okay, yeah, Godavari, Krishna and Mahanadi, Kaveri, they can create deltas, very broader coastal areas. Okay, mangroves, based on mangroves, Brihatkanika is associated with Brahmi, Vaiteyi, Mahanadi coast. This is also important. Okay, Koringa, it is sanctuary which is based on Godavari. Tropic of Cancer crossing twice Mahi river. Sabarmati, Narmada, Tapi cross once. Tropic of Cancer, Sabarmati also cross, and Narmada also cross, Tapi also cross Tropic of Cancer once. Okay, Mahi is twice. This is the most important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, yes. Guys, quick north-south order, north-south order. Okay, yeah. This is Luni first, Sabarmati, Mahi, Narmada, Tapi. Okay, these are the Konkan rivers. Mandovi, Jauri, Sharvati, Netravati, Kali, okay, Subarna Rekha, Damodar, Brahmini, okay, Baitreni, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Pennar, okay, Poniyar, and Paler, Kaveri, Vaigni, and these are the rivers from north to south, guys. North to south rivers. Okay, they might ask you the question any form. Just you have to cross once, and you have to take an idea about this enough. Okay, yeah. We are going to discuss some important questions based on previous year questions, guys. Okay, based on previous year questions, we have to discuss some important questions. Okay, yeah. The only major inland drainage river of peninsular India is Luni River. Luni is flow into Rann of Kutch, become saline and lower reaches. Okay, Luni is actually from the Rajasthan. It origin Rajasthan lowland and enter into the Gujarat, Rann of Kutch. Okay, it is saline water river, saline. Okay, because of high temperature created evaporation to lead the formation of saltist. Okay, salt. Yeah, next question. Which river of peninsular India crossed Tropic of Cancer twice? Mahi River. Mahi originate at Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, enter Rajasthan and Gujarat, unique double crossing. Okay, yeah, I did discuss about it. Okay, yes. And which of the following rivers flow through the Rift Valley? Rift Valley rivers are Narmada and Tapi, guys. Okay, Narmada, Tapi are the Rift Valleys between Satpura ranges and Vindhya ranges. I did discuss actually. Okay, yes. Dakshin Ganga is the name given to which river? Godavari. The longest peninsular river is Dakshin Ganga, Godavari. The city located on the bank of river Musi is Hyderabad. Okay. Brihatkanika mangrove are located at the delta of Mahanadi, Brahmini and Baitreni. Okay. Which river is also called Sarav of Bengal is Damodar. Okay, that can create floodings in the Bengal. Okay, Damodar waterfalls are formed on Narmada river near Jabalpur. Okay, it is marble rocks are there. Which river forms the famous jog fall is Sharvati. Okay, Sharvati river are there is a waterfalls on that river, guys. Hilly area of Karnataka. The oldest functional dam in India is Kaveri Dam, that is Chola age, 2nd century. Okay, yes. Polavaram project is on which river? Godavari. Okay, this is Andhra Pradesh important project, guys. Which river flow into the Bay of Bengal near Nellore? Pennar river. Okay, Nellore is the place of Andhra Pradesh. The city of Surat is located the bank of which river? This is important. Tapi river. Okay. Srisailam dam is constructed on Krishna river. Okay, Srisailam dam is constructed on Krishna river. Which river originates from Triambakeshwar Hills, Maharashtra? Godavari river. Okay, Triambakeshwar, Nasik district of Maharashtra. The river also known as Dakshina Pinakini, South Pennar. Dakshin Ganga is the Godavari, Dakshin Pinakini is South Pennar. Most important. Madurai city is situated on which river? Vaigai river. Most important. This is also important. Okay. Madurai is the city of Tamil Nadu, one of the famous city. There is a temple, Madurai Kamakshi temple. Okay, guys, that is based on river Vaigai. Most important. Okay, yeah. Such a questions they can ask you in the exams, guys. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on. This is also most important. Narmada river. Sardar. It is there is funds provided by World Bank. Okay, yes. Which river valley is called Granary of South India? This is also most important question, guys. Which river valley is called the Granary of South India? Is Kaveri. Kaveri Delta is rice bowl of South India. Rice bowl of South India. This is important for coming questions, guys. The river Periyar is famous for Idukki Dam. The river Periyar is famous for Idukki Dam. Okay, this is also most important question, guys. Yeah, I am gonna give you this this table for you guys as a notes. I may not you find here very small letters. Okay, I will give you notes later. Okay, I hope you guys understand this all over my topics. If you like the videos and share it, I am gonna give you the best geography classes for you. Each and every point I made it productively for exam point of view, guys. This is enough for your exam. Okay, all over the points I am covering. Okay, thank you so much.